Good day, brothers and sisters. My name is Justin, and I am from the Holy Trinity community of Davao City. Welcome to Pathways of Hope. Today we celebrate the optional memorial of Saint John the First, Pope and Martyr. Today's Gospel is taken from the book of John, chapter 16, verses 29 to 33. In today's Gospel, Jesus tells his disciples, "In the world you will have trouble, but take courage. I have conquered the world." Jesus speaks these words knowing that his disciples will soon experience fear, confusion, and suffering. They thought they were already strong in faith. Yet, when trials came, many of them scattered. Still, Jesus did not reject them. Instead, he reminded them that his peace is greater than the troubles of the world. Many of us can relate to this. There are moments when we look okay on the outside, serving, smiling, creating, encouraging others, yet deep inside we carry silent battles. Sometimes we grow tired from always being strong for everyone else. Sometimes even the things we love doing, like ministry, music, work, or serving people, can become heavy when our hearts are exhausted. But today, Jesus reminds us that struggles do not mean God has left us. Even in seasons of pressure, rejection, disappointments, or unanswered prayers, Christ remains present. As someone who expresses emotions through music and service, maybe God is also teaching that not every battle needs to be hidden behind a smile or a song. Sometimes the most beautiful worship is simply remaining faithful even when life feels uncertain. Saint John the First, whom we remember today, stayed faithful to Christ despite persecution and suffering. His courage reminds us that peace does not come from having a perfect life. It comes from knowing Jesus walks with us through every trial. So today, let us hold on to the words of Christ. Take courage. I have conquered the world. Whatever burden we carry today, Jesus has already overcome the darkness ahead of us. And with Him, we can continue walking in faith, hope, and courage.